Welcome to my visual home tours. Welcome to your dream home. This meticulously maintained property offers a perfect blend of modern convenience and natural beauty. Featuring a stunning granite kitchen. It boasts sleek countertops and stainless steel appliances replaced in 2011, while the island bench provides ample space for meal preparation and casual dining. The great room boasts vaulted ceilings that not only create a sense of grandeur but also allow an abundance of natural light. The landscaped gardens surrounding the property create a serene backdrop that changes with the seasons. The paved patio offers an ideal spot for outdoor dining or simply unwinding with a book. New privacy fencing in 2019 ensures that your outdoor space remains an exclusive retreat. With new carpets, new windows in 2017, new roof 2018, new HVAC and heat pump in 2019 and a new water